Hello guys! Napakainit na talaga today, summer na. Kaya bumili muna tayo ng pampalamig. Today, nandito tayo sa plaza, sa harap ng Suri City Hall. Yan, sa likod ko. At dito sa right side naman, yung library. So papasokin natin ngayon yung library to check ano ba ang mga pwede mong gawin dito. Kung may mga kailangan ka sa school, research for your immigration, pwede ka pumunta dito. Tara, panoorin mo yung video na to. So, dito tayo sa entrance na library and pasok tayo sa loob. So, pagpasok mo dito, may makikita ka dito registration sa harap. And ito very helpful to pala kasi mahal ang printing dito sa Canada. So meron ditong computer for you to print documents. So either colored, black and white, pwede dito. Pwede ka rin mag-photocopy. At you can pay with coins or Visa debit card. Cents lang to sa pagkakaalam ko. So parang one page na black and white is like 10 cents, I believe. Hindi ko makita yung price dito. Yeah. And I would recommend you to go to the reception para makapag-apply ka ng library card. So dito yon sa harap. And syempre, library, marami ditong books. So doon sa pinakadulong yon would be the kids section. So pwede ka dyan manghiram ng books for kids. At yung iba nga pala, merong cafeteria. And meron din silang counter to return the books dito. At kapag naman hihiram ka ng books, may mga machine sila to check out. So ganito rin sa Vancouver. So similar lang naman. So I suggest just go to the registration, get your library card. It's free, wala kang babayaran. And pwede ka namang hirap ng mga materials na kailangan mo. Kids book, or if you're looking for citizenship exam, you can get materials here for free. At pwede mo silang iuwi. So this library is in the Suri Central area. Malaki to, look. At akit tayo. Level 2. So meron din silang mga computers if you need one. Do your research, wala ka sariling computer. At may mga program sila for settlement or immigration. So pwede ka rito makakuha. Minsan nagkakandak sila dito ng mga parang seminar, training. So you can get those. At you can attend to those training para magkaroon ka idea kung ano yung mga pwede mong pathway. So as this is a library, syempre marami kang klaseng books na pwede mong hiramin. Kung mahilig ka lang magbasa ng mga novels, pwede, or anything. So all you need to do is find the books for you na kailangan mo. And meron silang mga barcode. This one, yung merong Suri Library. Do you see this? Ayan. And pag nakuha nyo na yung mga kailangan yung books, you will need to scan yung book dito sa machine to check them out. At usually you can keep them for like 2 to 3 weeks, parang mga 21 days kung hindi ako nagkakamali. So dito kami humihiram ng books para sa anak namin. Actually hindi dito sa library na to, doon sa Guildford, dahil nagsiswimming yung anak ko. And ganun din naman, mas maliit nga lang yan. But this one is massive. It's spacious, diba? So, siguro kung dito ka nag-aaral, yung mga students, kasi nandito yung Simon Fraser University, they go to library to study kasi napaka-tahimik, di ba? Today is actually Sunday pero they're open until 5, even on Saturdays as well. So this is the third floor. So dito sa third floor, syempre books pa rin, di ba? Meron pa ring registration just in case you need help. There's table for you to study dito sa mga places nito, diba? This is Surrey Library. So upo muna tayo. So yeah, that's our vlog for today. It's very short, very informative. I hope nakatulong. So as I said, kuha ka lang ng library card mo. It's totally free. If you're from Vancouver, they will ask for your ID with your residence in Vancouver. Or dito naman sa Surrey would be basta meron kang proof of address, and they can give you the library card. Okay, so yun lang, sana nakatulong. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and follow my Facebook page. Thank you, bye.